We're cursed. Wolves are cursed. Shot.
If we lose 1-0 today, I will be absolutely gutted.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Darcy.
He's back.
It's been a while, ladies and gentlemen, but the Morris family, we're back. It's an emotional reunion, going to the Molineux for the first time in what, 18 months has it been for you?
No, I did come in
Oh yeah, it's less of a narrative though, isn't it? But yes, Wolves versus Man United. Ronaldo didn't fancy it today, but we do. We're here, very much looking forward to it. So it's a special one. Wolves should hopefully be getting their Hwang out today, so that should make it good as well. And also, if Wolves win today, it breaks the record that Man United, no, it stops them, it breaks the breaking of a record.
Yeah.
The Man United would be unbeaten for 29, I think, away games. Last time they were unbeaten and about to break an unbeaten record. George Elokobi happened and Wolves won 2-1 here at Molineux.
And Wolves are bottom of the league.
Were we? Woo! We weren't quite bottom of the league yet. Arsenal are down there. Don't give it that.
Where are we going to go for? Where are we going?
One of these.
I'm thinking C.
Something like that.
Oh God, I'm too good. I am too good. I am too good. I mean, realistically, I'm thinking I'd love a draw, but my boss was like 2-0, 2-0, so 2-0 Wolves.
I'll go for a draw then, I'll balance it out.
I'll put a bet on it. Yeah.
It's gonna be Morgan.
It's going to be Morgan. Do you want me to?
Just do his face.
Face now. Morgan. Yeah, there he is.
Tuck in. So we're here with Andy, all the way from Australia. 18 years in the making for this game. What do you think for a score? We've got to win. It's come all this way.
Got to win. I think the waterfall started at Forest, so 2-1. I think they'll score first.
Yeah.
Like we always make it hard. So 2-1.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
Have eyes by now.
Right then, I've just seen a tweet saying Wolves are about to get their Hwang out, so we'll get this in quickly. Score prediction.
Yeah, well, I want to get it before a man gets his Hwang out.
Yeah.
But my prediction, positive one for today, Wolves 3, Man United 2, and there's got to be a
Penalty.
got to be.
Get your Hwang out! Number 26.
Alright, Lorraine, I would take a draw. I wouldn't. 1-1 draw would be, but if we could sneak a little sneaky win. Look at that sneaky one.
On the halfway line, he's going to run from a corner. One day. Justice, Ruben Neves. Oh! It's like us on a Saturday night, isn't it, Dars? Shots. It's the same as every game. How have we not scored? Corner FC. Finerrz!
Who's coming in?
Yes! There is some sort of voodoo curse on Wolverhampton Wanderers. We'll
You
score a
just
goal.
know they're going to get some cheeky little
Yeah.
slide in and get one, and we're like,
He's just stand up. We've had 6 shots, they've had 4, they've had none on target, so I said, oh, just watch the first one go in. Bruno then runs down the other end, but luckily he was offside. Adrenaline! Take him on.
To say, I thought it was a very good first half. I think the frustration for me is we've obviously played 2, lost 2.
Yeah.
It's completely non-indicative of the performances that we've been putting in Finn. And I'll be completely honest, if we lose 1-0 today, I will be absolutely gutted. But the attacking football, we were speaking about it just. I think Trincao looks a really good player.
Yeah.
I think Traore, he looks a different player under Bruno. Listen, BrunoBall, I'm all for it.
How we haven't scored a goal, even 4 or 5 chances in this game, but the whole season somehow, we're cursed.
So what do you know about this new guy, this Wang?
I know that he might get me some views on YouTube, hopefully.
Oh, really?
That's
Brilliant.
about it. Half-time faces, though, I'm going to go.
And I'm going to go.
And Neil's going to go. And Lorraine is going to go. And Darcy's going to go. And Dad's going to go. Come on. This is where we go down on the box despite no one being injured. Go on, now. Oh. Yes! We're never going to score a goal. We're never going to score a goal.
I think we're cursed.
Come on! Do him. Come on! Adama is God.
Adama
He's
is
class.
You are kidding me!
They literally looked on the line. I don't. Oh. You can't write it. They've scored when Bruno Fernandes is down, we have to stop the game. When Ruben Neves is down, they score. It was only going to go like this if they scored.
Show him your ball wound.
Four, 5, get in.
Well, I've just watched Match of the Day. I can confirm none of the goals go in this time around. Now I think the real fun is after the international break because the fixtures we've got coming up and the way we're playing. It's going to be fun, I think, these next 4 or 5 games. See you all there for the ride. Thanks again for watching. Peace.
I can't lie to you, man. After watching this Manchester United versus Wolverhampton game, I think the Manchester United team was a bunch of push.
good, wasn't it? You heard that right.